This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Atashi. Spacious 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths unit inside the Beltway, open floor plan, renovated kitchen, laminate floor entire the unit, washer/dryer inside the unit, walk-in closet in master bedroom, large balcony off the living room and bedroom, 1-car garage, newly renovated building with 24HR front desk, pool, tennis court, bus stop at the door. Great location, close to 395,495, Metro, DC, Old Town, walking distance to Landmark Mall. Rent includes all utilities except phone and cable. For more information, review the details below.